wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wooden spoons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Eddington 5002 is designed in Europe from Italian olive wood, making it lightweight but durable, as well as giving it a beautiful pattern and color. It's 12 inches long and won't scratch or damage your cookware. The bowl is just over 2 inches wide and it's also available in other lengths. However, you do have to treat it with oil periodically. At number 9, the hansgo smaller, handcrafted from Schema Superba wood that's smoothed and polished for eating from. Each is 5 inches long, making them ideal for soups, cereals, coffee and tea, and they rinse clean with water for easy cleanup. They sport an elegant appearance and a natural fragrance, but they are somewhat fragile. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the ecosall Heavy Duty is a large model with an 18-inch handle for stirring large pots and an extra deep bowl for scooping and serving. Made from hard beechwood, it's strong and long-lasting with a smooth finish. This is a one-piece construction with a loop for hanging. However, the square handle is not ergonomic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wooden spoons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Neet Organic Serving is available in both a straight and wide-handled option, and each piece is designed from bamboo for strength and durability. They're naturally antibacterial and storage is simple thanks to the included organizer. These are free of chemicals and are made from a sustainable resource, but they may need sanding before use. Moving up our list to number 6, the bicb beechwood consists of 6 oval-shaped mixing spoons, each handmade from solid wood. The 12-inch handles makes it easy to reach the bottom of large pots when stirring, and they can be washed by hand or go in the dishwasher. These have deep bowls for sampling food and a 2-inch bowl width. They're sturdy to resist breaking. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Riveira Essentials consists of 6 pieces you can use for cooking and serving meals. Made from bamboo, they're non-stick, so cleanup is easy as foods just rub off with warm soapy water. Each handle has a hanging hole and the signature R brand. These are resistant to stains and won't absorb odors. They have a natural oil finish. At number 4, the stylish mondayou cooking is available in a set of 4 or 5 kitchen utensils that are non-toxic and friendly to the environment because they're crafted from long-lasting teak. Their solid construction helps prevent them from cracking even when used with high heat. Each is handmade and can be resurfaced and is resistant to bacteria. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the ecosall Healthy Cooking is a 6-piece non-coated set made from 100% beechwood. They have thick flat handles with a hanging hole and won't scratch your cookware, and they don't get hot to the touch either. These have a smooth finish and a natural wood scent. Note that you should hand wash them with soapy water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wooden spoons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the vremi kitchen comes with a spatula and 4 different spoons made from sturdy bamboo that doesn't absorb odors. This natural material ensures they're resistant to moisture to avoid shrinkage. Each handle is ergonomically designed for comfort. They come in 5 bright colors and won't scratch pans. They're equipped with hanging holes too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the nayahose wooden utensils includes 3 spoons, a salad fork and 2 spatulas, all handcrafted from teak wood, making the entire set environmentally friendly. This non-scratching selection is free of BPA, resistant to heat, and can be cleaned with a mild detergent. They're a durable construction with an easy-to-hold design, and they're fully recyclable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wooden spoons, or simply click beneath this video.